Let's talk about the right time to do a one-step polish on your truck, car, or SUV. In the case of this 4runner, it's right after being purchased. This thing came fresh out of the lot without being improperly washed, detailed, or buffed by anybody, which means the paint had little to no swirl marks or damage. Now the plan is to get this truck ceramic coated in the near future, which means we want to prep the paint for that process before applying any coating, which includes a decontamination, clay bar, even a light polish just to remove any sort of fine scratches that may be hiding in there. Once the paint was all cleaned up, we jumped on the interior to prep those surfaces for their UV protection. And there you have it, a first full detail on a new truck, ready for the road, protected, and prepped for any sort of paint protection that we plan to do moving forward.